Hello friends, welcome to Smart Technical Help YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming new videos. In this video, I'll show you how to print Pmjay golden card by using Photoscape application. This Photoscape application is very simple to use. You just open the Photoscape application, then go to print option and then select the photo paper size. I mean the ID card size, so which is basically 6 into 9 centimeter. So this is a normal ID size. Please go to print setup option and then select your printer. Since I'm using Epson L380 series, I'll just select this one and then select your photo paper size 10 into 15 centimeter, which is 4 into 6 inch, and then select your paper quality, glossy paper, and then select high quality and then OK. So yeah, this is the actual size. So just go to your folder and open PDF file. This PDF file should be opened in the Adobe Reader. Just zoom out and then go to edit and then take a snapshot. Take a snapshot and then press your left button and then Ctrl C and then just go to Photoscape and then press Ctrl V and then go to your PDF file and then select the back side. Same thing. Just press left button of your mouse and then Ctrl C and then Ctrl V again. So you just keep on continuing like this. Whenever you open a new PDF folder, you need to go to edit and then take a snapshot. You need to press the take a snapshot. So you just Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So it's very simple. It's we don't need any of the software. So this Photoscape is very much easier than the Photoshop and any other software. So I recommend you to use this software. So if you haven't downloaded this application, I'll just give you the link in below the description. So you can just visit the website and download the application. So this application is a free version, so you don't need to worry it. So you just open PDF file, then just take a snapshot, then Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So it's basically like that. It's very easy. Just Ctrl C, Ctrl V, only that. This Photoscape application is very useful. You can even print out Aadhaar card, PAN card, or any other related ID card. So it's very simple to use. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So just check it. Yeah, everything is fine. I think everything is fine. So yeah, okay. It's okay. So please insert 4 into 6 inch glossy paper in your printer. Paper size should be 4 into 6 inch. So just insert it in your printer. then go to print. If you want to print only the current page, you can select the current page, or if you want to print all the pages, then just select print all pages. That's it. It's very simple. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming new videos.